Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take the full page screenshot on a Google Pixel Fold. And to do this we'll need to open any app that allows us to scroll down. In this case I'm gonna go for the settings. Make sure that you're on top of the page, or at least from the starting point you want to take the full page screenshot of. And then click on the power key on the right side of your phone, as well as the volume down key at the right side of your phone. When you click on them at the same time, we'll make a screenshot. Now we're gonna go for capture more, and here we can adjust the size of our screenshot. So let's go for a full page. Make sure to click on save and it should be sent to your gallery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.